Jason Momoa reportedly in talks to star in the Minecraft movie. I don't know about you guys. I think about Minecraft. I think about Momoa.
They're making a movie? Like a live action?
I didn't know that either.
I feel like that would be the main draw. It's like Minecraft movie?
Yeah. And is it animated?
Is it one? Well, it's got to be one of these ones where it's like he finds himself in like
you mean like he's
the
like,
real character finds themselves
like
in Minecraft?
Jumanji
I don't.
Right.
Otherwise, how do you star in it? Is it just
voice?
Then is that starring? They don't normally say it like that.
No, they don't.
The years in the making Minecraft movie from Warner Brothers might be one step closer to becoming a reality as Jason Momoa, who you might know as Aquaman. That's how I prefer to think of him. It's in final negotiations. However, it still seems the movie might be a long way from actually hitting theaters, though, as neither THR or Variety reported a projected release date. The Minecraft movie has hit a few blocks over the past several years. The movie was first announced in 2014. Whoa. Crazy. But in 2015, Rob McElhenney, known for his work in It's Always Sunny in Philadelphia and Apple TV Plus hit show Mythic Quest, was confirmed as the director. And in 2016, the movie was given a 2019 release date. Well, push. COVID, push it. The Minecraft franchise is still very popular, having just surpassed 1 trillion views on YouTube in December. You heard of this game, Minecraft, Mo?
Yeah.
Oh, how it's hanging. It sticks or it hangs in there, doesn't it?
It's really kind of crazy to me.
Hangs in there.
It created such a cult and such a...
Hey, don't call them a cult.
Well, you know what I mean.
They don't appreciate it.
Just replicate my laugh.
You're right. It definitely has a following and a community, and it seems never ending because it's endless, the ways in which you can interact with the game. And people create all types of intriguing scenarios, and the kids love it and everything else. Shout out Jacob. Shout out Bobby. As far as the movie, I don't know how it's actually going to play. Like, I don't know. When they say starring, I feel like he lands himself in Minecraft world or something.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah. Aquaman in Minecraft.